मंदार के किरदार से तो हर कोई रिलेट कर पाता है, तो फैंटेसाइज तो हर कोई करता है, चाहे वो मर्द हो या औरत हो या कोई भी हो। तो बस वही है जो तजुर्बा बचपन का है, जो प्यूबर्टी में क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस थे मेरे दोस्तों के साथ, कैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, क्या था, तो वही सब कुछ है स्क्रिप्ट में। जो इनोसेंटली शुरुआत होती है मंदार की जर्नी, तो वेरी रिलेटेबल कैरेक्टर, तो बहुत कुछ रिसर्च करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी।
अरे कहाँ बोल्ड है यार, मतलब हर रोज तो दिखता है हंटर यहाँ वहाँ, मतलब कभी पर नो, आई पर्सनली डोंट थिंक इट्स वेरी बोल्ड. I think it's in fact something that is easily relatable, because the other films which are so-called not bold are films and characters which one can't relate to either. So I think I'd love to do characters which are more real, and if that is bold, then that is how that is. Like.
When I saw the film, for me the most interesting character and the journey was actually Kshitij, the cousin brother, who I think is actually the real Vasu. You know, who is his inspiration कि एक दिन मैं ऐसा बनना चाहता हूँ, you know, and in that journey, that boy who gets all the girls, who's taking them home, how he turns around at that point in time, how he meets that girl, how he goes and beats up that father for what he does. It's that same character. So I would not be able to put this film in any category of a film that I've seen before, whether it's drama, coming of age, sex comedy, whatever you might call it. But that journey, it takes so much of craftsmanship to be able to create a character like that, to turn him around like that. And then when he dies, the attitude of the wife after that, you know, and how she handles it, how the kid gets into the car and that turns him around, it's just magical. And I think it takes another piece of craftsmanship to be able to tell a story like that. So it's hats off to us to be able to tell us a story like this.
Yeah, it was a painful process actually. I mean, we had a casting director who kind of did lots of auditions of kids in Mumbai and several other cities. But we were shooting in Pune, so then we had to kind of look for kids who were in Pune, because it's a low budget film, extremely low budget. So we couldn't take people and lodge them there. We didn't find any of the kids who had acted before, you know, and because it was just not fitting properly. So finally we went to schools, and then there were random kids who didn't even enact the scenes. So Junior Mandar is actually, he had given an interview that I want to become a marine engineer, and the way he actually said that I want to become a marine engineer just clinched the role, because he was superb. So it's been like we've auditioned more than 1,000-2,000 kids for this film, for those 4-5 characters.
वो छोटा चेतन तभी से ही बड़ा चेतन बनना चाहिए.
एकदम
कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं सर. वहाँ पे लड़के की वो बहुत ही डरा हुआ है, क्योंकि एक तो वो औरत फ़ोन करती है उसको, फिर वो घर में घुसती है, बहुत ही नर्वस है. जैसे आपने, पता नहीं आपने फिल्म देखा है कि नहीं देखा है, लेकिन वो उसका जो है दिल की धड़कन जो है बहुत तेज़ चल रही होती है. तो वो फिर आती है, उसको कुछ सवाल करती है, मैं बुलाती हूँ अपने हस्बैंड को, कह के चली जाती है. तो कुछ मंदार को भी कुछ दिलेरी दिखाने के लिए ऐसे मुंह से निकल जाता है कि हाँ बुलाओ ना हस्बैंड को, मैं बात करता हूँ ना. वो बात बिल्कुल करना ही नहीं चाहता वैसे, लेकिन एक हिम्मत जो है वो दिखा रहा है, और उससे वो इम्प्रेस हो जाती है.